Hi guys. Uh, Earlier we have discussed list and set data structure. Now we'll discuss dictionary. What is dictionary and data structure? How we can use the dictionary. This is similar to set. Okay, but the most important difference is that in set we cannot index. We cannot use the index. We can see the values only. By indexing we cannot do indexing, but in dictionary you can do indexing also as well. Okay, so dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. In Python, dictionaries are written with a curly brackets. Okay, they have keys and values. As I told, with the help of keys we can index it, and we can extract the values by using enumerated function as well, like list. In a list also we have keys and values. Similarly, in the dictionary we have keys and values. Okay, dictionary we can define with a curly bracket. I'm running this one. I've defined dictionary with a variable dict, and if I check the type of dict variable, it will show it a dictionary. I can assign the values into the dictionary within the curly bracket. Suppose I want to assign 1 2 3 4, and to check the type of it, if I will check, it will show the type is set. Okay, but see, this is not a dictionary, this is a set. But while we are creating a dictionary, we have to give the keywords. Okay, we have to give the keys. You have to give the keys and values both. So how to create a dictionary? Okay, this is a set, simple set, no keys are there, but here we have given the keys. For example, I have created one key, that index, that is car 1, which having a value index Audi, and car 2 I am having BMW, car 3 in index car 3 I am having Benz. So I am running this one. This is a dictionary. Okay, if I'll check the type of this, earlier the type of this 1 2 3 4 set, this will show the set, but here if I'll check what is the type of dict, it will show a dictionary. Here it is a set, but here it is show as a dictionary, because I have given the key and value. I have assigned key the values to the keys. Okay, so this is a dictionary, not a though it is within the curly bracket, but this is not a set, this is a dictionary. Okay, if I want to print the dictionary, I can see that the value is assigned to the keys, car 1, car 2, car 3, these are the keys. Okay, and I can see the value with the help of keys. For example, I want to see the what is the value of car 1. Okay, it will show this is Audi is the value of the car 1 index. Okay, and I can use mm, loop function to print my keys. Okay, okay, for x in dictionary, if I want to print my keys, just I have to see print x, it will show all the keys, car 1, car 2, car 3. If I want to print the value of the dictionary, then what I have to write, I have to give this way. I have to close the bracket, because this is the key, and the dictionary the variable, and if I mention the key name, it will extract the value of that key. For example, x is car 1, I want to see the dictionary of car 1. Next for loop, I want to see the dictionary, the value of car 2 key, and in the third iteration I want to see what is the value assigned to key car 3. Okay, if I will run this one, this will show the Audi, BMW, this is car 1, this is car 2 and car 3. So if I want to print the keys, I have to mention only x. Okay, the variable for loop, whatever we are running the for loop, assigning the variable, if it is x, then it have to print x, it will extract the keys only. If I want to print the value of the dictionary, then I need to assign the dictionary as well as with a square bracket. Okay, it will extract the value of whatever assigned to the keys. Okay, similarly another way also we can do a for loop by using the item function, inbuilt function item. So it gives both the index and it will extract both the index as well values. It will combine and it will give the index and value. Okay. Okay, now how to add a new item to the dictionary. So for that I have to create another dictionary. I have to mention the keyword. Okay, but what is the key I want to assign the value. I have mentioned car 3 because car 3 already I have having a key. The next key I want to mention is car 4 and I want to assign the value Audi 2.3. So the dictionary, if I want to print the dictionary, it will show car 1 is Audi, car 2, and last one I have added car 4 is Audi 2.3, and all these things are in a curly bracket, so it is a dictionary. And why it is dictionary, not a set? Because this contains the key. This column is separated, the key and value. This is the key, this is the value, this is the key, and its value is this, and this key and value is separated with a column. Okay, next. So similar way I have mentioned the car 1 to Maruti, so it has been changed car 1 to Maruti. This will replace the car 1 value. If I want to replace in earlier it was Audi, now I want to replace the Audi with Maruti, so I need to mention the car 1 is equal to Maruti. It will replace this this key. Okay, the value of the key car 1 from Audi to Maruti. Okay, run this one. And another is the nested dictionary. What is the nested dictionary? Inside the next dictionary I want to mention another dictionary. For example, here you can see the car 1 is a key. It doesn't contain a single value, it contains a dictionary. Car 1 is a key which contains a dictionary. Another car 2 is another key which contains another dictionary, not a single value. It is a set of values, and it is also a dictionary. Set of values which is a set of values assigned to keys, hence it is not a set, it converted into a dictionary. So car 1 is a key which contains a dictionary, and car 2 is another key which contains a dictionary. That means a nested dictionary. The dictionary, this is the car type. If I see, car type is a dictionary which contains two dictionary inside that. That is car type 1 and car type 2. Okay, so this is a nested different. How to do this one? First I need to define my nested dictionaries. I have to create the nested dictionary. First I have two nested dictionaries, car 1 and car 2. I mentioned this car 1, car 2, and car type I want to mention the car 1 as a car type 1, car 2 as a car type 2. Okay, the index, the keys are car 1 and car 2, and the variable whatever I have mentioned is here in the dictionary. Car type 1 dictionary is mentioned to car type 1 variable, car type 2 dictionary is assigned to car type 2 variable, and I have just mentioned the variable names here. Instead of values I have mentioned the variables, so it is created nested dictionary. Okay, I want to extract, suppose I want to extract only car 1. Okay, the car 1, so it will show the car type 1, the values which contains car type 1, and car if I want to extract the inside that I want to extract Maruti 2. Okay, I want to see this Maruti 2, what is the value of Maruti 2 key. Okay, what is the Maruti 2, what is the vehicle, what is that is inside this Maruti 2 index. Okay, then I have to mention car type car 1. This is my first dictionary, and inside that I want to see the Maruti 2 key. What is the value of the Maruti 2 key? So I need another square bracket. I have to mention that key name, and it will extract what will it is espresso. Okay, see, espresso is a text. Then next class we will discuss about tuple data structure. Now till this point we have discussed dictionary.